Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the dental health community, the Provadent. If you're looking to enhance your oral hygiene routine naturally, this might just be the game changer you need. Provadent is a daily oral health supplement designed to support a balanced oral microbiome, promote fresh breath, and contribute to overall dental wellness. Unlike traditional mouthwashes or toothpaste, Provadent works from the inside out to enhance your oral health with a special formula. Let's dive into the Provadent formula that makes this product stand out. Each capsule of Provadent pills contains a blend of natural ingredients like Organic Xylitol, Cranberry Extract, and a proprietary BioFresh Clean Complex. These ingredients help maintain a healthy oral microbiome and freshen your breath without the harsh chemicals found in other products. Now, before we continue, I want to give you an important warning. Because of its success, there are many counterfeit versions of Provadent out there that don't work and could even harm you. But don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid getting scammed. I'll leave a link to the Provadent official website right below this video and also in the pinned comment, so you can safely order your Provadent pills with complete peace of mind. Make sure you click the official link to get your hands on the real deal and start improving your dental health today. Provadent focuses on restoring the natural balance of good bacteria in your mouth. It targets harmful bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, known for causing cavities, while promoting beneficial strains that support gum health and fresh breath. With probiotics and prebiotics, Provadent helps remineralize enamel and reduce plaque buildup, making it a great solution for those seeking to improve their overall oral hygiene and become a sugar defender in the battle against harmful bacteria. People using Provadent have shared their experiences, including improved gum health and reduced inflammation, healthier, stronger teeth and better enamel, fresher breath that lasts all day, and a more balanced mouth with fewer cavities. Provadent is available in the following packages: 1 bottle, 30-day supply, 3 bottles, 90-day supply, and 6 bottles, 180-day supply, with total free shipping. Buy 3 or 6 bottles and get 2 incredible ebooks to help you maximize your oral health. Let's take a quick look at the pros and cons of Provadent. Pros: 100% natural plant-based ingredients, supports healthy gums and enamel, easy to take, just 1 capsule a day, 60-day money-back guarantee. Cons: shouldn't replace regular dental visits, always check for allergens in the ingredient list. All in all, I highly recommend Provadent if you're looking to support your oral health. This formula works to balance your microbiome, protect your teeth, and give you fresh breath, all with natural ingredients. Remember, I've left the link to the Provadent official website right below this video and in the pinned comment so you can order your bottle with complete confidence. Don't wait. Take control of your oral health now. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling and take care of your teeth.